This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg yippee. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, lightly grease 2 small ramekins or an oven-safe dish with about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, ensuring a non-stick surface for your delicious creation. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully crack 1 egg into each of your prepared ramekins, taking care to keep the yolk intact. Gently pour 1 tablespoon of heavy cream over each egg, allowing it to settle around the yolk. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. To truly elevate your egg yippee, consider adding some delicious extras. Before baking, sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of your favorite shredded cheese, such as sharp cheddar or creamy Gruyere, over the eggs. For a savory boost, incorporate a tablespoon of cooked bacon bits or some finely chopped, sautéed spinach. After baking, a garnish of fresh chives or parsley adds a beautiful color and a burst of fresh flavor, making your dish even more appealing. Once your egg yippee is perfectly baked, carefully remove the hot ramekins from the oven using sturdy oven mitts. Let them cool for just 1 minute before serving. These delightful eggs pair wonderfully with a slice of toasted artisan bread for dipping, or alongside a fresh fruit salad for a balanced meal. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, customizable egg yippee, a truly satisfying and versatile dish perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.